Get a restoration service with Arman Motor Garage to stop a car from rusting. How to stop a vehicle from rusting? Rust, it's not good in your water, and it's certainly not good on your vehicle. Not only does it make your ride look bad, it can also seriously compromise the integrity of whatever it gets a hold of. A rusty car is an unsafe car. Unfortunately, rust is inevitable. As a natural process resulting from the interaction of iron and oxygen, at some point the metal in your car will succumb to it. But that doesn't mean it has to be during its use and during your ownership. Arman Motor Garage, providers of damage repair and paint a car, are here with a few rust-busting tips. Don't forget to wash up. Washing your car does more than make it look nice. It's actually one of the easiest things you can do to stop it from rusting. When abrasive materials such as dirt and sand particles get stuck to your vehicle, they degrade the paint there over time, leaving the metal beneath vulnerable to rusting. Of course, you don't need to panic if you need to drive through a mud puddle or two. Just don't let the stuff stick to your vehicle and you'll be golden. Additionally, make sure to be true about your work. A simple hose down doesn't rid your car of mud like a scrub with an automotive shampoo will. And neglecting to dry it further opens the door for rust to take up residence. Keep a close eye on things. The nasty thing about rust is that it spreads, almost like a mold. If you don't take care of small spots early, they quickly go to work on the surrounding areas, until you're left with a major problem that could have been remedied in a cinch if you'd caught it earlier. Luckily, you can take down most rust before it takes over your car or other vehicle. Simply giving the exterior, interior, and undersides a once-over every month or so will let you know if it's time for some rust-ridding elbow grease. Invest in car dent repair ASAP. Even the smallest things will eventually rust out if left unattended. The longer they're ignored, the more expensive and likely a rust infestation becomes. Arman Motor Garage Dent Repair. Keep your car looking great with 5-star car dent and paint service from our team. Schedule service by giving us a call today at 913 crore 70 lakh 34,530 or 845 crore 18 lakh 28,922. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to see next episode.